Okay, now I'll teach you how to install the printing head on the machine. So this is the Epson distance printing head. This printing head, and this one is the transit port, the ink damper transit board. So we put the transit board installed to the printing head by this position, and then we install the printing head cable. We find the printing head cable here, and we install to this port. Must be sure the pin connection pin is down position and without bend. And must be connect wire. This is the left cable. Then we install the right side cable. And also connect by the same way. Be sure it's connect wire without bend and scratch. And check both sides. Be sure it's connect wire. Then we put the print head to the cartridge position. This is the white ink print head. We put to the cartridge port. And then we install the print head on the cartridge. Must fasten the 4 screw. Must fasten well. If not fasten, it will leak ink to damage the print head.